are the Greater Concord Chamber of Commerce.
Intown Concord.
And NBT Bank. We are going to spread joy and shop Concord. Little gift for you.
There's just so many special products in here, and the store used to just be Scandinavian products, or mostly Scandinavian. And so the last several years we've really shifted gears, and now we're representing 12 European countries.
We are primarily consignment, but we're a little bit of everything. So we've got vintage, new. I have a line called Inclination. That's stuff that I find that's just kind of like elevated basics, stuff that implements whatever people are looking for that season really well and can work into anybody's wardrobe.